guys, good to see you. My name is Miss Jill, and normally when you guys are on this channel, I'm doing my read aloud story time for kids, but I thought I'd take a break during this time and share with you guys some art projects. My degree is actually in art education, so I thought what better opportunity to do some projects with you guys this week. So I thought we're going to do 5 different projects, and I'd let you know what supplies you guys need, and that's what we're going to go over today. First of all, Monday, our first project is the kitty cat weaving. Here are the supplies that you'll need for that. I do have below links posted to where you can print the 2 printables, the cat's body and the arms. Get those printed out in cardstock if you can, and have your papers ready to go and your glue and scissors, what I have posted there. That's Monday's project. Tuesday, we're going to be working on our op art tubes. Those are pictured right there below, where you can just get a piece of cardstock paper, cut, and then Sharpie markers. There's a surprise project that is on that day as well, and the items are posted there for you to do, and that is where you can make some interesting paper with beautiful designs. That's going to be a bonus project that's doubled up on Tuesday. Wednesday is a fun one. I love the color that we're doing on that. That is some glue boxes with pastels. There's the picture there of what you guys are going to use. If you don't have the pastels, pastels are basically just a chalk. You can use a sidewalk chalks if you have a container of sidewalk chalk or Crayola chalks. Anything like that would work. It's just the pastels have a richer, brighter color, and all the project is posted there of what you'll need for that. Thursday, we are doing our Harbor Night Reflections. That's a really fun project. Everything is posted there. That is a spray bottle of just water. It's just some way to be able to spray the paper. You just can use Crayola markers. They can be either washable or regular. Doesn't matter if it's classic colors or any bold colors, doesn't matter. So you'll need that for our Harbor Night picture on Thursday. And Friday is our spring basket flowers. Now that one is a really interesting project because on Thursday, you are actually going to create the basket because it's going to be done with dripping glue. And it has to be colored glue to make some interesting drips. So we're going to be actually on Thursday preparing your paper for the Friday project. Now, how to get colored glue. I've seen it actually in the stores to buy it. I think that's not very fun. I love to make my own colored glue. So let me show you real quickly how you can get your colored glue prepared for our project for Friday. If you don't have extra glue bottles, don't worry about it. You can actually even make this project with just plain old white glue. It just won't have the colors. It can still be done. So don't stress if you don't have extra bottles that you can color, that your mom or dad will let you color. But if you do have an extra bottle or two, what you're going to do is this. You want to get a marker. I'm going to go ahead and use my green one. You're going to get a marker, and I'm going to use a pair of pliers so that I can pull off the end of the marker. So each one of these markers, if you guys ever looked inside of a marker before, if you haven't, this is what's fun. There's a cap on the end of your marker that actually seals it on there. So take your pliers and you're going to work it back and forth, try to get that cap off. Might take a little time. I'm just not wanting to pinch myself. Okay, there, it's working off. Now what is inside your marker? That's the fun part. Down inside of your marker is a tuft of colored ink, and it's wrapped inside of a plastic. So I'm going to take mine, pull it out, and you can see it's wrapped in a plastic, okay? This is the good stuff. This is what you want. You're going to open your glue up. Doesn't have to be brand new full, it can be just partially. And you're going to stick your marker down inside. Goodbye. Give it a little shake. And it's going to be preparing, getting it all colored in here. So your glue is going to be whatever color your marker is going to be. So if you have a pink marker, you're going to get pink glue. If you use a fluorescent marker, you're going to get a fluorescent glue. So when we come back, make sure you do this ahead of time. When we come back, your glue will be all colored and ready to go for that. This is one I did earlier, so that's the color it's going to be with this marker. I do have other colors that I worked on just because I always have them. This is more of a fluorescent. Yellows are good. Purple, of course, is my favorite color. We'll be using these for our glue baskets that we do for our Friday project. All right, guys, so be ready for a video every day posted at 10 a.m. Standard Central Time, and there'll be a new video showing the art projects that we just talked about. See you then.